So, what if I told you that you can create a YouTube Shorts channel using AI, completely free? I know you probably don't believe me right now, but by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. The first step is to find a good sub-niche. So we're going to open ChatGPT and ask it to suggest some sub-niches within the niche you like that could work well for YouTube Shorts. Once you've chosen a sub-niche you like, ask ChatGPT for the top 10 viral video topic ideas for that sub-niche. It'll give you a list of topics and you can go through them and choose whichever one you want to make a video about. Next, we're going to open NotebookLM and create a new notebook. Then take the topic you selected and paste it into the search box in your notebook. NotebookLM will search the internet for information about that topic and give you a list of sources. Once it's finished searching, import the important sources into your notebook. A few sources might not load properly, but that's okay. Now, click on Video Overview and select Short. Next, we're going to go back to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt that you can use to create a 1 to 3 minute short based on the topic you've selected. Once ChatGPT gives you the prompt, copy it and paste it into the prompt box in NotebookLM. Then, just click Generate. Now we wait for NotebookLM to generate the video. Once it's generated, you can watch it and download it. And this is the video we get.
In 1518, a woman stepped into the street and began to thrash violently. She danced for days until her feet bled, triggering a bizarre mass casualty event. City officials thought she suffered from overheated blood. Their prescription? Force her to dance until the illness left her system. They built a massive wooden stage in the market and hired musicians to keep her and dozens of new mimics in constant motion. The physical toll of this forced endurance was catastrophic. Up to 15 citizens dropped dead every single day from heart failure and sheer exhaustion. For centuries, historians blamed mass hysteria, but the real culprit was biological. After a severe strep throat infection, the victims' immune systems mobilized, but mistakenly attacked their own brains, causing violent, uncontrollable muscle spasms. This is a post-streptococcal condition known as Sydenham's chorea. By crowding everyone onto one stage, the city accidentally created a superspreader event. The strep bacteria ripped through the exhausted, tightly packed crowd. And this is exactly why the dancing plagues vanished from history. Once modern medicine discovered antibiotics to stop strep transmission, the deadly dance ended forever.
Now, you might be wondering, can you just download this video, upload it directly to YouTube, and monetize it? Well, I wouldn't recommend doing that. YouTube has policies around mass-produced and repetitive content, so simply generating videos with AI and repeatedly uploading them isn't something you should rely on for monetization. If you want to learn how I would edit these videos and add more original creative input before uploading them, let me know in the comments. If enough people want it, I'll make a full video showing you exactly how I edit them. And that's the entire process. If you found this useful, consider subscribing because I'll be making more videos showing you how to actually use AI for content creation. I'll see you in the next one.